welcome back to Honest Product Review. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys trying to clean sand out of your car. We will explain what's one of the easiest way that we do here. It's pretty amazing, it's easy, and it's very convenient to clean your car anytime. So stay with us, we'll explain how you can do that, because when sand gets stuck in the carpet and floor mats and things like that, it's almost impossible to remove it, guys. But there is a secret and we'll share it with you. So let me show you now. We just came back from the beach and you can see I did half of it. The other half is right here, what we are going to use. That Musu or little bitty vacuums like that are amazing. This is for the household. It comes with many attachments, but one of those for the car is simply amazing. You can see how it catches hair too. It's easily, you can easily take it apart and clean the hair if you need to. But with the help of the brush, it lifts the sand off and it comes right out. I want to show you, if you use regular hose, okay, what's going to look like. This is the hose right here. It's almost impossible to take the sand out, but with the brush it's a piece of cake. So let's do that now. So this is the vacuum. I'll turn it to the highest position. Okay, that's it, and check it out now. Sand, it doesn't come out so easy, you can see, and you have to go for quite a long time. And what that does, if you do it for too long, it's going to get your carpet on most BMWs and even foreign cars and things like that. It will develop those hairs, which looks really old, really bad, which I personally dislike. But using the brush, guys, I'm going to switch to the brush. I will show you how easy it is, and it doesn't pull the carpet out. Okay, it's a soft brush, so check it out now. Okay, we're going to do the magic now. I'm going to start from here and I want to show you, okay, what it does now. What do you think now? Right, one pass and it's almost completely gone. Makes it 3 passes and everything comes out with ease. Now some of that stuff is covered as well, not from the sand itself. The turn needs to be washed. But okay, you can see down here. Okay, let's see if it's going to pick it. Some will not. So this one, we have to pick it out. We have a special trick that we can do for dog hair as well. Okay, if you're using, you can use the lint removal brushes like that picks dog hair. Actually, it picks sand too. Okay, you'll be surprised, but that thing, you can pick sand with it as well. And you can see it will get stuck to the brush as well, to the roller, so you don't need to worry about that as well. So that's one of the easiest way that we do it, and you can see you can easily take care of that. That's a huge trunk, by the way. So let's go all the way to here, and a few more spots, and practically all gone. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful if you need to buy any of these products. This vacuum is 2.5 years old, still going. They sell spare parts for those. Sometimes they change the names, I noticed, but it's the same vacuum. I'll put the link where you can get one from. Thank you for watching and see you next time.